In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and use a VPN on your Steam Deck so you can access geo-restricted games, improve your online privacy, and unlock content that normally isn't available in your region. To make this process simple, I'll be using NordVPN because it works smoothly with Steam Deck configuration files, and you'll find a link in the description if you want to try NordVPN at a great price. First, before installing anything, make sure your Steam Deck has Decky Loader installed. If you already have Decky Loader, great, you're ready to move to the next step. If not, you can install it quickly by visiting the official GitHub page in desktop mode. Once Decky Loader is installed, go back to gaming mode and open the Decky menu by pressing the three-dot button. Inside the Decky store, search for and install the Tunnel Deck plugin. This plugin is what allows the Steam Deck to use open VPN files, which is exactly what NordVPN supports. After Tunnel Deck is installed, switch your Steam Deck to desktop mode. Open a browser and go to the NordVPN website, log into your account, and head to the Download section, where they provide all their open VPN configuration files. Choose the country you want to connect to. For example, if you want access to the US library of certain games or services, download a US server file. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like the desktop or downloads folder. Now, open your system settings on Steam Deck. On the left side, click on Network, then find the Connections section. You'll see your current Wi-Fi listed there. Click the little plus icon to add a new connection. Scroll down and select Import VPN Connection. Hit Create. A window will open asking you to select the file. Go to where you saved the OpenVPN file from NordVPN and select it. When it asks whether to copy the certificates, click Yes. Your new VPN connection will now appear in the list. Click on it and rename it to something clear like NordVPN USA or whatever region you selected. Scroll down and enter your NordVPN username and password. Just below that, change the password storage setting to Store for all users. This is important because the Steam Deck uses root-level permissions to make the connection work correctly. Once done, click Apply. Now switch back to gaming mode. Open the Quick Access menu again by pressing the three-dot button and go to the Decky plugin section. Select Tunnel Deck and you'll see the VPN profile you just created. Tap it to connect. After a moment, you should see a connected status. This means all your Steam Deck traffic is now being routed through the VPN server you selected. And that's it. That's how you install and use a VPN on your Steam Deck using Tunnel Deck and NordVPN. If you want fast speeds, great security, and the easiest setup for Steam Deck, NordVPN is definitely one of the best choices. You'll find a link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.